Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the BMW i3 on a 22 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with those black alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside of the boot space. First of all, as we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, and you can see there the charging cable for the vehicle as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, firstly, you can see the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. So this is directly in front of the steering wheel, of course. You can see the total miles for the car. They're 18,753. We have the trip computer on the right-hand side. In the centre, the digital readout for the speedometer. And beneath that, the battery charge level with the estimated range for that battery charge level. To the right-hand side of the steering wheel, this is where you start the vehicle. It's also where you can select the different gears. So we're in park at the moment, which is accessed via this button. You have drive, neutral, reverse, park, and then, as I say, you turn the vehicle on and off with this button just here. We back out to the steering wheel. We have cruise control. We have stereo controls. We have trip computer information, as I say, up here, and you can change that by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk just here. Over into the center, we have the main screen for the vehicle. So up on here, you can access any of these menus that you see, and that's done using the iDrive system just here. So this dial, the buttons that surround it, you can use the dial to rotate, push down, pushes up, pushes down, left and right as well to access, for example, your radio and media, where we have DAB and FM radio. We have Bluetooth audio, we have USB input as well, so loads of ways to listen to your music. You can pair up your phone, you can access the satellite navigation, and as you can see for yourself, it's a really nice colour display. Very, very easy system to use. And then we have various menus towards the end just here as well. On top of that, if I pop the vehicle into reverse, we have a visual guide to the parking sensors on there as well. Working our way down, we have the volume for the stereo. We have climate control, so you can increase and decrease the temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can change the direction the air is being distributed in with this button just here. Air conditioning is off or back on again from there. Failing that, just hit auto. The car will do everything for you to maintain this temperature, and you can override that whenever you wish to. We have a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same over here for that passenger side as well. Loads of space through the middle here, of course, where it's not got a traditional transmission, so loads of extra space. Cup holder, the controls I went through just a moment ago. You can change the driving setup of the car from here as well. We have an electronic handbrake, another cup holder, and in here your USB input and a 12-volt charging socket. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. So you can see the V5 registration document there, of course. In the envelope, we have the spare key for the car, so 2 keys in total, of course. Service information on BMWs is stored on the main screen, and this is a photograph of that screen to show its original pre-delivery inspection and first service done in 2024. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.